To send money with Zelle without a bank app, you will first need to ensure that your bank or credit union is a Zelle partner. You can check the Zelle website for a list of participating financial institutions. If your bank is a partner, you can use the Zelle website to send money. Start by going to the Zelle website and clicking on the Send Money tab. You will then need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number that is enrolled with Zelle. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you want to include a note with the payment. You will then be prompted to sign in to your bank account using your online banking credentials. This is a secure process that allows Zelle to access your account information. Once you have signed in, review the transaction details and confirm that you want to send the money. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received the money and can access it immediately if their bank is a Zelle partner. It is essential to note that you should only send money to people you trust, as transactions through Zelle are typically instant and cannot be reversed. You should also be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle. Although many banks do not charge fees for Zelle transactions, in addition to using the Zelle website, you can also use the Zelle mobile website on your smartphone if you do not have access to a computer. The process is similar, and you can send money using your mobile device. Overall, sending money with Zelle without a bank app is a simple and convenient process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely send money to friends, family, and others using Zelle.